Neighbor.
Are you eating?
I'm not eating. I'm playing football.
It's okay. Let me join you.
Okay, you want to join me? Enjoy yourself.
You are very stingy. You are a stingy man.
Yeah, I'm a stingy man. Don't worry. I'm a very greedy man. A greedy man. Nonsense.
It's your greed that will kill you.
Leave it.
Eat alone, Dad.
Leave it.
Eat your food.
I will eat my food. Nonsense. All this man, they will not allow somebody to eat in peace. No. When I was looking for onions to prepare this thing, nobody answered. Look at this one is coming. How are you?
I'm supposed to be fine.
How are you?
I'm supposed to be fine. My brother, let me join you. You're enjoying.
You want to join me?
Of course.
You want to join me?
I want to join you.
As you can see, I only have one spoon.
You know I don't work without carrying spoon along. I have my here with me.
Hey, scoop it. No problem.
Jesus is Lord.
Please, you didn't tell me you don't know how to cook beans. Okay, you love water in beans also.
Exactly.
Very good. Add to it.
Jesus is Lord.
My guy, enjoy.
Okay, very good. Are you done with it now?
I'm not done.
Okay. Very good. Are you done now? You are done. And bring it.
Hey, scoop it.
Let's enjoy.
We should enjoy this thing.
Of course.
Eat and enjoy yourself. Eat.
Mega! Eat. Come on, carry your spoon.
What is it called? Modion. Back to bear.
Yes, Dad.
Very good. What did you say you want to become in future?
That the one I grew up, I want to become a doctor.
Very good. No wahala. Enjoy yourself. You see, what I cannot be now someone to be.
Science is very hard though. Every day, science, calculating. Someone cannot rest.
Make some noise for DJ Dawn Efize.
Good day, sir. What's this? I want to become a DJ now. I thought you said you want to become a medical doctor. I'm not a DJ. Inye. Scoop it. Papa is DJ, not Inye. No wahala. Enjoy yourself. Thank you very much.
Assis, your phone is ringing. Oh, my baby. Yes, darling. Yes. I just received the alert. Thank you so much. You're such a darling. Another call. Hey, this bad luck. Stingy person. This boy is a very stingy. If I ask him for 1,000 naira, and I will take him like 2 months before we give. Please go and charge the phone and please don't return. Don't bring it back.
My brother, also.
The person not go see your call, they ignore him.
I did tell you.
Pastor, good day.
Bless you, PapaOjo.
Bless you too. Pastor, wait. Where are you taking all these drinks to?
You know I'm a man of God.
Exactly.
So I receive visitors every day. So anytime they come, I will tactically give it to them.
Wait, you mean every day?
Of course. PapaOjo.
You are welcome.
How did you get here?
I'm your visitor.
But we passed you on the way.
Who am I? Bring them, let's partake in the ministry, Time wait for nobody.
What are you trying to say?
I'm your visitor.